Welcome to MyExcelWorld video tutorial number 3. MyExcelWorld Excel Add-in is a business optimization tool. Unhide cells. Unhide all hidden cells. Let's hide some rows and columns and try to unhide them. Unhide all hidden rows and columns in the worksheet. Go to Cells, and click on Unhide Cells and select Unhide all hidden cells. Unhide all hidden rows. Let's hide some rows and try to unhide them. Unhide all hidden rows in the worksheet. Go to Cells, and click on Unhide Cells and select Unhide all hidden rows. Unhide all hidden columns. Let's hide some columns and try to unhide them. Unhide all hidden columns in the worksheet. Go to Cells, and click on Unhide Cells and select Unhide all hidden columns. See you next time for another tutorial.